Don't panic if your Ford Escape's dashcam is suddenly dead. Let's troubleshoot together. First, check if your dashcam is plugged in properly. Sometimes a loose cable is all it takes to cause problems. Next, look at your power source. If you're using the 12V socket, try plugging in something else to see if the outlet works. No luck? Your car's fuse might be the issue. Grab your owner's manual and find the fuse box location. Look for the fuse that controls the 12V outlet or dashcam, and inspect it. If it looks burnt or broken, replace it with a fuse of the same rating. Still nothing? Try using a different charging cable or adapter. Sometimes these just give out. If your dashcam has a battery, make sure it's charged and seated correctly. If everything checks out and your dashcam still won't power on, try resetting it. Many models have a tiny reset button. Press it with a paperclip for a few seconds. Finally, check for firmware updates. Visit your dashcam brand's website and follow their steps to update. If none of these steps work, the dashcam itself might be faulty. Consider contacting customer support or a trusted technician. And remember, always double-check connections and fuses before replacing your dashcam. Now you know what to do when your Ford Escape dashcam isn't working. Subscribe for more quick car tech tips.